251 candidates in 91 constituencies, 14 states. The third and substantial phase of the Lok Sabha elections has seen unprecedented bumper voting. Such a bump has not been witnessed in the recent past. It's a healthy sign, and the fight for credit has already begun. So is there a wave? And if there is a wave, then who is the wave for?
Increased campaigning and more awareness, and with it, an unprecedented bump in the voter turnout in Phase 3 of these Lok Sabha elections. In New Delhi, these long queues outside over 11,000 polling stations were an indicator that far more people had turned up to exercise their franchise than ever recorded in the history of the capital. But it failed to surpass the 66% benchmark of the assembly polls last year.
As of now, there has been an increase of 12 percentage points as compared to 2009.
Maharashtra, which registered around 55% voter turnout last elections, saw a slight drop with 1% less voters lining up at the poll booths. But Uttar Pradesh, which is witnessing big-ticket fights this year, with Rahul, Sonia, Modi and Kejriwal contesting from the Hindi heartland, 14% more voters exercised their franchise, the biggest recorded in the history of Uttar Pradesh. The high voter turnout in places like Muzaffarnagar also raising questions on whether polarization was one of the key factors for the bump in votes. Even Jammu and Kashmir and a Maoist hotbed like Jharkhand witnessing an unprecedented rise in voters assembling to vote. While Kerala broke all records with 73% voters exercising their franchise, it was slightly less than its 2009 Lok Sabha benchmark. The starry fight in Chandigarh managing to draw 9% more voters to the polling booths, while Odisha saw a slight increase in its 2009 numbers. Overall, a record turnout in Phase 3. Bureau Report, Times Now.